Ladies and gentlemen,
you are ready for the ultimate experience. Pump up the volume. DJ Dance.
In the mix. Right here. You know who it is.
So rep your city, rep your city, rep your city, rep your city. I'm a young Haitian slumdog millionaire. I'm a young Haitian slumdog millionaire. Hey, now you gon' tell me that I can't hear. Gon' tell me that my mama used to be a welfare. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but names will never hurt me, Mr. Hater, hater, hater. How do you feel when you see me counting paper, paper? Some don't like me cause I left the block, block. I can't be about 40 still on the block, block. Look at you about 50 still on the block. Talk about you got swag doing the same old guap. When I was young, it was you I watched. I said I wouldn't make the same mistake when I got off the block. You know the life of the refugee, and any second I could become a deportee. So when you talk about you got checks, boy, you must be in the club, high off of X. Cause the cash that we got, it ain't even in the States. And the cars that we drive, they got diplomatic plates. This ain't a rap song, it's the truth. Google Wyclef, Sean, if you're looking for the proof. And if you want me to sign you, you gotta be trilingual. Ask Impulse, he got the trilingual. I'm a young Haitian slumdog millionaire. I'm a young Haitian slumdog millionaire. Hey, now you gon' tell me that I can't hear. Gon' tell me that my mama used to be a welfare. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but names will never hurt me, Mr. Hater, hater, hater. How do you feel when you see me counting paper, paper?
Came from dirt, now my polo shirt not a wrinkle. Y'all didn't know my lingo's trilingual. My single, I still look so hot you can't cop. Gotta cop blood. And them dudes from my block be screaming, who's your blood? And the cops on the block be aiming, who is you?
And whoa, if you don't want another riot, stop firing at the innocent, Mrs. High.
Hey, times got hard, but we had to push on. Girls who didn't like us, now they call us push on. Slow motion, now they wanna wind slow. All cause my flow's sick, you could call it the swine flow. Box haters on my corner got Wyclef. I push your mind right, I don't throw no weak left. Every hit is a knockout punch. Came from nothing, now you see me pop out the bunch. Surf fast, everybody by landslide. Fly first class, now I'm up at NY. And I was sent by Wyclef to be the champ. I'm not by myself, I got all my young Haitian slumdog millionaires.
I'm a young Haitian slumdog millionaire. Hey, now you gon' tell me that I can't hear. Gon' tell me that my mama used to be a welfare. Rep your city, rep your city, rep your city, rep your city, rep your city. Hey, Brooklyn, we here, please stand up now. Rep your city, stand up now. I'm a young Haitian slumdog millionaire. I'm a young Haitian slumdog millionaire. Hey, now you gon' tell me that I can't hear. Gon' tell me that my mama used to be a welfare.
Sacrifice Records, Haitian Slumdog millionaire. If Impulse can do it, so can you. Wyclef, Commander-in-Chief, Nale, Jerry Wonder on the cooker. Woo! Got something really sus where I got out of
Most important thing, I come from a hut. From a hut, I went to the projects. From the projects, I went to a mansion. So you out there, you have absolutely no excuse. You dig? You dig?